Otano. Za Španija po startu reprezentanta Slovenije. Kitajska potem na drugem mestu. Second place for China, 100% to the ball.
Ladies teammates to get into the ball half of the course, the spacing between the next pretty tight. They're all choosing to play it safe and safe. This leader, Russia, with the target time of 137 seconds.
Maar ook in de Zuidse Spanken en ook in de techniek.
The Spanish team are on target to challenge that. They're 2 seconds up on the Russian team. Can the Spanish team take the title away from the Russian team?
Na startu uma gente para a representante Slovenije.